What the fuck? They switched it? I was gonna gun it, bro, and then I saw the arrow. Thank God for the arrow. Oh, did you see that? Holy mother of God, bro.
Phone connected.
Hello.
2
Hello.
members connected.
How many members are connected?
All of us.
Nice. Now, my question is, where can I find some peck?
What?
Pecks?
Backpack. Ricardo, music on. It keeps on turning it off, bro. It's not even on.
I want to say, hey Cardo, find me pecks.
Hey, Cardo, music on. Bro, I don't know.
Yeah, that thing doesn't work most of the time for me though. I have turned off mine.
It works for me now. It doesn't. Yeah. Bro, what?
I don't know where I'm going. Who are we following?
Yeah, just follow them. We'll
Okay.
turn right.
Okay. Oh, they're going to throw stones, bro. Be careful. You have to close your visor though. Because they're on their Pirellis, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Wait, is this even a road?
Yeah, new road.
Nice.
Shortcut going to Dasma.
I've never been here.
Pupunta tayo Maple.
Oh, this is where Jao makes his videos, right?
Yeah.
Ah.
Bad in flames now.
Backfires though.
What's that bad? Is it gonna rain?
Tiptoeing.
get tires?
I have no idea. It's like, yo, it's bigger than the car tire, bro. What the fuck? Who the fuck is that? There's a car stop, watch out. Go in front of me, come on. Go ahead.
Yeah, go.
Sure? Okay. Tricycle. Where is this? Do you know?
No, you have to turn left going back to Vermosa.
Oh, it's this one here.
Yeah.
Bro, this is the first
This
time I'm
is-
going here since they built it.
Bro, it's so thick.
But it.
Is it a bomber? It is, right?
No,
It's a bomb.
it is like a cruiser.
Yeah.
Yeah. I think it's the engine is hot though. I can feel the heat.
I forgot to turn my
It's
car
hot.
on.
Yeah, I can feel it here.
It's an exhaust fan.
Love handles.
Yeah. Puti pa naman? Ha? Sobrang puti eh. Oo, puti eh. Kaya nga. Gusto kong bumalik eh.
Why are you guys so slow?